Leopard 2 MBT, a symbol of German armored might. The Leopard 2 is more than just a war machine. It's a testament to the superiority of German military engineering. Since World War II, Germany has asserted its leading position in tank design. At the height of the Cold War, when the fear of Soviet tanks was pervasive, German engineers created the Leopard 2, a main battle tank not only capable of confronting Soviet adversaries, but also serving as the steadfast backbone of numerous armored forces globally to this day. The Leopard 2's journey began in the mid-1960s. Although the German army already possessed the Leopard main battle tank, a robust design, intelligence reports revealed a new threat shortly after its introduction. The Soviet Union was developing the T-64, a tank with a powerful 125 mm main gun. The need for a strong counterweight spurred the development of a new tank. Initially, the project was an ambitious collaboration between West Germany and the United States, resulting in 14 prototypes of the MBT-70. However, disagreements over specifications, coupled with cost overruns, forced the project's cancellation. The American side subsequently continued to develop the tank that would later become the legendary M1 Abrams. Undeterred, the West German manufacturer Krauss-Maffei independently proceeded with the development of the new tank. Through a series of intensive trials, the first prototypes of the Leopard 2 were ready for testing in 1972. After several more years of rigorous testing, the Leopard 2 was officially approved by the West German government in 1977 and began entering military service in 1979, marking a new era of armored power. In nearly half a century of continuous service in the German military and other nations, the Leopard 2 has seen the emergence of countless variants. Each version has been continuously improved, incorporating the latest technological innovations. From the base model, the Leopard 2A0, to subsequent variants from A1 to A7, each upgrade has brought significant changes in weaponry, communication systems, optical equipment, and computer systems, among many other enhancements. Notably, the PSO Peace Support Operations version was specifically designed for urban warfare, featuring a shorter barrel, non-lethal weapons, and enhanced all-around protection. There were also bold experiments to equip the Leopard with a larger 140 mm main gun, leading to the creation of the Leopard 2-140 variant. Additionally, there are specialized variants for training and vehicle recovery. The Leopard 2 is not only a German asset, but also widely relied upon by many nations worldwide. These countries have customized the tank to suit their specific military doctrines and objectives. For example, Finland's Leopard 2R is optimized for minefield clearing, while Switzerland's Pioneer Panzer III Kodiak is a unique turretless engineering vehicle. The latest A8 version of the Leopard 2 was officially unveiled to the public in May 2023, further solidifying the enduring tank's leading position. With an impressive length of 32 feet, including the main gun, a width of over 12 feet, and a height of approximately 8 feet, the Leopard 2A6 variant boasts remarkable dimensions. Its 68-ton weight is a testament to its robust armor and internal technology. It's important to note that exact dimensions can vary significantly depending on the specific Leopard 2 variant. The original design of the Leopard 2 focused on a powerful 120 mm main gun, engineered to penetrate any armor the Soviet Union could deploy. Earlier versions used the stabilized Rheinmetall L-44 cannon, while later variants were equipped with the longer L-55, providing higher muzzle velocity for the projectile. Standard ammunition capacity is 42 rounds, stored in the turret with additional shells in the hull. The Leopard 2 is also armed with two MG3 7.62mm machine guns, upgraded versions of the MG42 machine gun. One is coaxially mounted with the main gun, while the other is placed on top of the turret. Specifically, the A7 version integrates an internal weapons control system, allowing the gunner to fire the turret-mounted machine gun safely from inside the tank. The Leopard 2's armor has evolved significantly over the years. This tank utilizes spaced armor, an intelligent design featuring two layers of protection. When a projectile strikes the outer plate, it will either detonate or tumble, significantly reducing the impact's kinetic energy before it hits the main protective layer. More modern variants also incorporate composite materials of steel, tungsten, and ceramic, forming an almost impenetrable shield. While the exact composition and thickness of the armor remain classified, its effectiveness is undeniable. The A5 variant marked the introduction of the arrowhead-shaped turret design with sloped armor, giving the Leopard its sleek appearance and enhancing its protection. The A5 and A6 versions also feature thicker armor on the turret and side skirts, providing effective additional protection against RPGs, especially after experiences gained from peacekeeping operations. Later versions have also been reinforced with increased protection against mines and IEDs. The Leopard 2 is also equipped with an advanced NBC, nuclear, biological, and chemical protection system, using an overpressurization system that seals off and filters air into the vehicle, ensuring crew safety in harsh environments. Photographs from the 2023 Ukrainian battlefield show a Leopard A4 equipped with explosive reactive armor, though this appears to be a later addition rather than standard equipment. The tank also features a built-in automatic fire suppression system, which activates if the internal temperature exceeds 180 °C, or can be manually triggered when necessary. The Leopard 2 is operated by a 4-person crew: the driver, commander, loader, and gunner. The driver is positioned in the front right of the lower hull. The remaining 3 crew members are located in the turret, the gunner in the front right, the commander behind him, and the loader positioned on the left side of the turret. The most recent Leopard versions, the 2A4, 2A5, and 2A6, are powered by a robust MTU MB 873KA 501 series 12-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, capable of generating up to 1479 horsepower. This power plant allows the tank to reach speeds of approximately 45 km/h, 72 km/h on roads, making the Leopard 2 one of the fastest main battle tanks in the world. With a 317-gallon, 1,200-liter fuel capacity distributed across 4 tanks, the vehicle has an operational range of about 340 miles, 547 km. The automatic transmission features 4 forward gears and 2 reverse gears, providing flexible maneuverability. The Leopard 2 employs a torsion bar spring suspension system with hydraulic dampeners, along with 7 rubber-coated road wheels and 4 return rollers per side, ensuring stable movement across various terrains. As one of the world's most advanced tanks with nearly half a century of service, the Leopard 2 integrates many modern features to maximize its potential. These capabilities include precise laser rangefinders, advanced night vision capabilities, and sophisticated communication gear. Beyond Germany, the Leopard 2 has become the primary battle tank for numerous nations, including Austria, Greece, Portugal, Spain, Canada, Norway, Poland, and many others. Many units have also been sent to Ukraine as part of aid packages to counter the Russian invasion. The Leopard 2 first saw combat in peacekeeping operations in Kosovo in 1998. Since then, it has been deployed in multiple conflicts, including peacekeeping missions in Bosnia and Herzegovina, Iraq, Afghanistan, and Ukraine. In Afghanistan, a Canadian-operated Leopard survived an IED attack with no casualties. Canadian Leopard tanks also repeatedly survived Taliban ambushes, demonstrating remarkable survivability during Operation Red Dagger in 2008. In Helmand Province, Danish Leopard tanks firmly held the flank for the British advance, playing a crucial role in the operation's success. However, not all combat operations have enhanced the Leopard's otherwise stellar reputation. During the Battle of Al-Bab in Iraq, reports indicated that 10 Turkish Leopard 2A4s were destroyed and 2 were captured by ISIS. The insurgents utilized IEDs and anti-tank missiles targeting the turret, which triggered ammunition explosions. These were older models lacking the anti-IED protection of later variants. Turkish troops also operated without infantry support, making them more vulnerable in the conflict. In the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, Leopard tanks were sent as part of aid packages and formed a key component of a major Ukrainian counteroffensive in 2023. Due to the complex nature of the conflict, accurate information is difficult to verify, but it has been confirmed that at least 11 Leopard tanks were destroyed by Russian forces. Many lost to unmanned drones, a new factor on an ever-evolving battlefield. With the constantly changing nature of warfare, the future of the Leopard 2 remains uncertain. Germany, along with France, is in the process of developing a successor vehicle to replace this decades-old design. However, it will take many more years for this new vehicle to roll off the assembly line. Until then, the Leopard 2 will continue to be the robust backbone of armored forces worldwide.